In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use System Restore in Windows 11. Fix Today here. Let's begin. Start by right-clicking the Start button on your taskbar. From the menu that appears, click on Run. This will open a small input window. Inside the Run box, type rstui.exe. Take a moment to enter it clearly, then click OK. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. This will open the System Restore window. Once the window appears, click Next to move forward. You'll now see a list of available restore points. Carefully select a restore point from the list. Choose one that was created before the issue on your computer started. Look at the date and description to make sure it matches a time when your system was working properly. If you're unsure which one to pick, select the most recent restore point before the problem began. After selecting your restore point, click Next. You'll now see a summary of the restored details. Take a moment to review everything on this screen. Before continuing, make sure all your important work is saved. The system will restart during this process, so any unsaved work may be lost. Once you're ready, click Finish to begin the restore process. Windows will now start restoring your system. Your computer will automatically restart as part of this process. Do not turn off your computer while this is happening, as it may interrupt the restore. After your computer turns back on, wait for Windows to load completely. Once you're back on your desktop, check if the issue has been resolved and confirm that the restore completed successfully. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.